The Chamber of Commerce and the Federation of Small Businesses create a forum for big and small businesses. However, there are tens of thousands of micro and small businesses spread across the country operating outside the Chamber and the FSB. Though this is a disadvantaged and less informed classified group are the bedrock of our economy, most unfortunately, they operate in isolation. They have no forum or established platform to express their concerns, engage with policymakers, or have business models to share good practices and influence their trade. The lack of a business network and opportunities to share good business practices and understand government's policies or effectively participate in public debate has resulted in the closure and losses of hundreds of small businesses, particularly at these austere times with untold financial consequences on the larger community. The advent of the Medway Swell Business Leaders Forum creates the much-needed platform for revamping our alien economy. From its concept, MSBLF will help to build a strong economically and socially inclusive society through support for entrepreneurship, the promotion of trust, confidence building, shared partnership, and community ownership. In our earlier research, we received comments from about 45% of the 167 small business operators we interviewed across Medway and Swell. Some of their comments on the business climate, their experiences, aspirations, and needs were: lack of entrepreneurship skills or weak business and culture, need to build communication on good practices and open up linkages to community champions, role models, and mentors. Some mention the lack of access to premises, capital, and finance. As well, some also say the lack of knowledge of business support programs hinders their businesses. There's also the issue where they mention a lack of knowledge of IT and e-commerce to sell the businesses. We also heard about the lack of government's adequate protection and business support networks for these small businesses. It was also mentioned that ineffective partnership in enterprise development also hinders their businesses, as well that the lack of inclusive, diverse social reintegration. MSBLF is well positioned to provide much needed localized services, local solutions, and help establish a local network for businesses to engage with and to learn how to live healthy lifestyles, relieve stress, cope under pressure, and meet new friends and business acquaintances. The Medway Swell Business Leaders Forum will create the enabling environment for entrepreneurs to have better chances in life, create stronger communities, opportunities for employment and apprenticeship, as well as create wealth and social capital. I wish to conclude by quoting Tracy Crouch, MP Chatham Hills 4 in Medway. The big society is also an advocate for innovation and enterprise and ventures, she said. It is therefore fitting that Medway Swell Business Leaders Forum, leading by example, displays many of the qualities its members will look to emulate. I hereby say, with innovation in giving fund, Medway Swell Business Leaders Forum will promote a new, all-inclusive and diverse enterprise culture that through its each sources will be replicated in other parts of the country.